You don't see these often. Damn. I love the 1M. It's not really my scene, but we're gonna check it out. Come on, baby. That's my scene. Big fucking turbo. Maybe the Evo. This might be a fast car. Oh yeah. Monster turbo. Big turbo in that Evo. Maserati. That thing's wild. NA. Right? Yeah, that's an NA. No power adder. I wonder how fast that is. It's kind of 240. I don't remember if it's kooky or whatever, but it's my favorite one. There's another one. This one's an LS in it. There's an LS in a 240 with TEs. This is my favorite car here so far. This thing is just very, very sick. I think Chris is calling me. Sorry, buddy. I got a wagon. I'm trying. I still have another video to edit that I already filmed. And this is going to be something. I don't know. Hopefully I can just turn the whole day into a video. It's too much. Too much going on. Look at this fucking Volkswagen, dude. It's on work wheels. This does not look like the engine it came with. This is not where the engine belongs. And it's open headers. Oh my god. Some wild wheels on the Tesla. Air ride. Ruined Tesla. It's hilarious. Sick car. Turbo R32. Turbo's on the top. Really wild wheels. I don't know if this is my color, but it does look good. Alright, here we go. This guy's got a different intake manifold. This is the same engine I have. It's got a giant turbo, different intake manifold. And it looks so fucking clean. Damn. Big tire. And it's extreme. Level M5 with a non-matching front bumper. Pretty cool. Don't know. I'm gonna be a fanboy. It's really more for you guys. Oh shit. I think that's an original HKS piping kit. Garrett turbos. Still. Wow. Paint's kind of jank, but pretty cool car. Oh yeah. That's a fucking turbo. Confused by this. I don't think that's the engine that's supposed to be in here. What is this? That's not a QJ, is it? What engine is that?
I don't know.
It's not an RB, it's not a QJ. Crazy. This thing's wild. How are you? I love them. HREs. It's pretty cool. A lot of stuff here I'm not really into, but there are some cool cars, so we're gonna keep checking stuff out. Walking around, there's a lot of loud music in here, so I don't know if you can hear anything I'm saying. Hopefully, but we'll check in soon. This is the most ingenious use of your front plate ever. Probably really all it's good for. It's for the Honda boys. I know some of you guys like NA. This is an SI, NA, some kind of header. I don't know what that says. Shit. I like everything. Pretty wild here. Crystal likes this Supra. And obviously Chris and Arial like it because they're videoing. Probably see it on their channel first one. It's cool. Hood's not open, so we know what the front of a Supra looks like. Hey, Crystal. So, let me do a little bit of narration here. So this dude over here, see that dude dogging that chick with the hair? There's another one. That one. He comes over here and he's like, look at my car, look at my car, and lets him sit. And it turns it on, and he's just left it running for the past like 5 minutes. It smells like horrible carbon monoxide. It's hilarious. Hilarious. It's funny, man. These things must make some jam because the guy at the race had one of these. Said this is a 500 horsepower package. I don't know. This one says the same thing, so probably the same stuff, and it's a tire on the back. Fucking Hoosier. Wild. Somebody explain to me how the fuck you drive this. Here's another R32. This one actually has the CTSV brakes on it, which is pretty sweet. And it looks like, yeah, I don't think that's the factory, like 90s stuff, but really, really cool car. Really cool car. Although I don't really like the camo half wrap, but oh, you know I had to come over here for this. Yeah. That's the shit. You're good. That's what I'm after, babe. That's what I'm after. You can keep all of it. That's all I want.
Yeah.
Fast and Furious clone. He did charge pipe. He's got diamond plugs. But everything else, still got the stock intake manifold. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. That's Portimao Blue. Only in New Jersey do you see fake money on the floor around a Honda Accord. Back to the Portimao guy. See what he's got. Charge pipes. These catalyst downpipe. BMS intake. I don't see any wires for a JB4, but he might have it. Another Porsche. Apparently there's a gated Murcielago over here, so I'm coming over to see it. Damn, dude. This guy did better than the fucking stock market buying this thing. Shit. Love this. This looks fast. See a fuel cell. Oh, yep, it is fast. Mark IV Supra.
Okay, I'm starting this challenge.
You're good.
Gotta love this.
Hey, there's a 2 Series. Oh, shit. Are those are the FF11s. Those are the wheels, the HREs that I didn't want to clean, so I didn't order. I wonder if it's a 230 or a 240. Only one way to know. Look at the back. It is. It's a 240. Holy shit, I've seen a 230 and a 240 today. You never see these things.
Shit, dude. Yeah, what I park?
That's pretty cool.
So that's your car in black?
Yep, that's my car in black. I'm so glad I got blue. I'm so glad I got blue. All right, we're getting out of there. Hope you enjoyed some of what we recorded. There were some cool cars there. There's a lot of weird stuff, but we're getting out of here. There was a 2 Series, which is cool. I haven't seen my car. I almost ordered black, and that's why it's cool to see black. We're gonna go to this thing in Connecticut, I think, so it's getting pretty wild. Let's get out of here. It's getting dangerous and wild. Jesus. Jesus. Completely whiffed on the welcome to Connecticut sign, and I missed the welcome center sign, so choked. But we're in Connecticut. Traffic is really starting to pick up here. It's getting a little weird. Really makes it bright, this camera. Wow. Traffic is uneventful, so I'm not going to film this. Welcome to New Haven. New Haven, Connecticut. I think it's where we are now.
In 1/4 mile, exit right.
Could be. Maybe not, but I think we are in New Haven. Alright, so we just got to the Connecticut spot, and like, this is out of control, and I think the cops kicked everybody out instantly. We went to McDonald's because we had to piss. It's like a 2-hour drive from where we were in New Jersey. Oh shit.
Yo, he's just ordering the ferry ticket.
Cool.
Give me a good old...
Like, we went into McDonald's and to go to the bathroom, get some food, and everybody's leaving. And there's a new address, so we're gonna head over there now and see what it has to entail, whatever the fuck that means. So we pulled in this banana. We
That's
pulled in.
what I just called.
Oh shit! Okay, I lose one. This whole parking lot over here was full, and we actually had to go over there, and we just ran into this McDonald's, and yeah, it seems like everybody went to this other spot, so we'll check in when we get there. Hopefully you can see me. I know the lighting is not good. We just got to the Bridgeport ferry. We tried to go to a different place, and before we, like, the highway, it just got crazy. I don't understand the logic behind cops breaking up a big car meet like that, because all they did was send everybody to the highways, and it was just, the whole entire area was completely chaotic. And before we even got to the next one, it was already shut down. And then, like, any giant shopping center you were passing, there were cops in it. So we were like, let's just head back to the ferry instead of driving all the way back through the city. We decided to take the Bridgeport ferry. Chris has never been on the ferry.
Nope.
So she's excited for her first time. She's going to experience that. She's having a great time in Bridgeport, Connecticut, one of the most beautiful cities on the eastern seaboard. And yeah, we're just sitting here in line now, and yeah, we'll probably get some video on the ferry, and then we'll be home. This doesn't actually look that bad. Oh my god, it's not bad at all. But I cannot go up or down.
See if you can go right behind Arial. Or not.
I don't know which way they want me to go.
I don't think that matters.
Go that way? Yeah. What's up, Arial?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
All right, let's go on the ferry. She's never been on the ferry.
Really?
She's actually excited for this.
Are we there yet? I don't know which one is this. Where's that?
This is the ferry. You're scared?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's go up there.
What's up there?
More cool stuff.
I'm so scared.
What are you scared about? We're basically traveling on a fucking hotel. We're staying on the roof.
Oh, it's so cold. I'm scared, Daddy.
Why? Come here.
I'm scared.
Come
I
on.
can't. I'm so scared.
You really can't? Give me your hand. Babe, there's seats up here and stuff. You're allowed up here. Wow. It is cold. Look, they have binoculars for you to view. And look, maybe you could see where we came from. Maybe we're able to see where we're going. Oh yeah, look, there's that's St. Charles up on top of the hill.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's so cold.
You're scared?
Terrified, cold.
I'm terrified.
Let's get to the front. Jump off.
Not St. Charles.
Oh my god, it's windy, boy.
It's so cold.
We got the captain up there. Hello. Oh, can you hide from it? Oh, yeah.
That's where we're going, baby. That's home. How's your first ferry experience?
So
A new
cool.
world.
We'll see when we get off the ferry. Alright, we're doing the outro. I'm not going to forget this time. What a day. What a day, huh? We went all the way from the east end of Long Island to somewhere in New Jersey to somewhere in Connecticut in multiple different places. And then we took the ferry back home. Like, probably drove... we drove over 600 miles today. Because I had 10,100 when we started, and it's 10,775. Pretty crazy day. I'm shot. Chris is shot. We ate McDonald's, so not healthy. But it was a fun day, and I hope this edits up cool. Anything you want to say?
I went on the ferry for the first time.
First time on the ferry. She learned what a soul-crushing disappointment it is. No, it was cool. We went up and outside, checked everything out. Yeah, we're just in here waiting to leave. Chris and Ariel are in the car there, up in front of us. Said our goodbyes, and yeah, what a wild day. Hopefully, we captured some cool stuff, and see you next time.